So, sa BC Pro. 7 output, 7 system.
गैस ओपन नहीं किया ना?
मुश्किल है यार।
ओपन करो, गैस लेके आया, फिर क्या चाहिए?
ये क्या है, क्यों क्या है, ये क्या है? जॉइंट किधर भी नहीं है ना वायर?
नहीं जो नहीं पूरा हमारा पूरा नहीं आला तो कलेक्शन वो आला तो टाइप के आला तो लोकल आला पूरा किधर फोटो किधर लगता है मोबाइल भी
हो गया. So this one is 5, huh? 5. This is a 5 indoor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tara. So we have one technician installer. He asked me about the capacity setting for the PCB. This is a BC Pro. So the capacity setting is this one. Okay, this is writing here. This power. This one is writing power. So if you adjust, for example, so you adjust this one is number 2. Okay, this is number 2. We will check the model. This one is 335. So this one is 335 watts. Okay, this one. So for example, you put in 400 or 500 watts capacity 5, but this one is a factory setting, no need to adjustment. This one, you put already the glue. You cannot adjust this one because this is a factory setting. For example, the PCB damage, you can adjust this one. 335 to 500, same PCB, no problem. You can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, the capacity. BC Pro. Kamsa?
ايوه خمسه كله خمسه فور فلور فوق فور يعني فور فلور صغير فارس بلانس اه نعم
Check this one.
किधर का है
So here is
है ना टाइट किया हमने जब ब्रेजिंग किया ना रिलीज कर गया तो पहले है ना बाहर का यूरोप एसी है इधर ला हम इधर मारा है ना इधर से बना पूरा खलास है मेरे को मालूम नहीं पहले उधर ओपन नीचे ओपन है इधर मैं ब्रीदिंग कर रहा है और बाद में देख रहा है गाय ओपन किया बेकूंगी 1 पॉइंट नहीं बाद में पूरा डालना पड़ा इसलिए ज़्यादा टाइट किया
क्यों किया ये टाइप
एडिट नहीं किया कंपनी के साथ गलती था मैं एक राउंड बनाया कि वो मुझे जो है ना ज़्यादा चिल्ला रहा ज़्यादा ना जोर से
okay, come on. We go
ओके
on.
आउटसाइड
on.
A few moments later.
So not yet ready guys, the indoor sa AP. IP. All IP. It means guys the outdoor is not reading yet, the indoor is coming IP. So we need to wait guys after the outdoor reading the indoor. If we reading guys, this one is coming dash. Model RM05B. Model remote.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's coming 5. Before is error, it's 7. So when you go up, now the error is gone. The H7 is gone. It's now is dash. Means there is no error. So this is the first system guys. This is ground floor. First system. 5 indoor. Now it's working. Now we need to close this one. To start up this other. This is the ground floor also. Next apartment.
No.
Also 5 indoor. So this one now is working. This one is working. This one. So this one next. This one next. So next start up. This is 1, 2, 3. This one 4 outdoor. 4. Then this one the last set. That one the last. 5. Another side there. 2. the last outdoor. This one all, that one all working. But 6, then 7 this one. This one is 4 indoor. The visitor. The visitor. Okay guys, we need to check the indoor. This one FE. FE. Ulang. This one FE Bardo. FE. Mapi iwan na.
Mahiman, tuloy yun.
Kulay ito. This is for indoor unit. One here, then there.
A few moments later.
So the last indoor is coming error. And the indoor is coming FE, so we check the communication this one. The PQA, we check the PQA wiring. So maybe there is a problem from the wiring, so we need to check the wiring, okay? This one. The last indoor, the last system is coming error. First and last. Ito. This one guys is already okay now. He read the for indoor. So we find the problem. So the problem is from the dial switches. Someone is touching the dial switches. This one. You make adjustment the dial switches. That's why it's not function the outdoor PCB. So we make a normal now, and then the PCB and we make read the for indoor unit. Okay guys. Now we back to the capacity setting guys. So if the outdoor unit is 335, then you make it higher capacity. Example is 500. At the same outdoor unit, the unit will make error. Okay. But the PCB we can put in higher capacity. For example, the PCB of 400 or 500 watts is damaged. The 335 we can use the outdoor PCB of 335 to fix the higher capacity. We adjust only the dial switches, the power. Okay. Now it's okay guys. You see it's working now. It's evening. You see the moon. Now it's evening now. So now all the system is running. 7 system is working now. So okay guys. Only 2 system is coming error. So we solve already the error. So all the units is working. Salam. Tools na kalas? Tools? Tools ko lang? Okay.